It's 4th of July, 7-8 weeks after the fire. Look at all the greenery that's coming back. That's crazy. This is the Jenkins Fire. This is off of Forest Road, maybe 128, Forest 128, I believe. Looks like it got pretty hot here. Killed most of the trees. I don't see any leaves on them. The ground cover's recovering, that's for sure. It'll take a while for the trees to come back, but I find this interesting. The fire burnt all the duff and peat moss all from around the rocks and totally exposed the rocks. Rocks everywhere. I'm guessing the deer are appreciating all the new shoots that are coming up. Here's an area in the Jenkins Fire that was previously logged and replanted. I believe those are Virginia pine. They all have little white tags on them. All for naught. I would imagine the ground fire came through here and burnt up all the slashings and the heat took out the seedlings. Anyway, this is the almost 2-month update from the Jenkins Fire. Thanks for watching. Over and out.